Claire from Scrappynerduk UK. Welcome to a little five minute 5-minute speedy scrappy video. I've done I think a couple of these on my channel already, but I have my current quirky kit here, and I saw this paper which is absolutely gorgeous. It's just got a plain-ish back, but I saw this one. I thought, do you know what, this is screaming out to me to do a speedy scrappy video. So I have already pre-picked my paper. Whether that's cheating or not, I don't know, but I thought I would set a timer. I reckon I could probably put this together in about 5 minutes, so let's see how I get on. So I'm going to pop a 5-minute timer on my watch, if I can. Let's go. Custom timer for 5 minutes. Okay. I think I'm good. I think I'm ready to start. So in 3, 2, 1, go. There we go. I've got 5 minutes on the clock. So I have this photograph, which is from my wedding, way back in 2007. I better not get that wrong. And it's just been floating around. So I'm going to get it scrapped on this. And this goes with the colour scheme of my wedding album. So this paper will work perfectly. So I'm going to get that branding strip off first of all. And I think the orientation of that is fine for me. There isn't any direction. So I have my photo, and I don't have, I only had bits and bobs in this kit, so I don't have everything from the kit, but I have got these flowers, and I think these are going to look beautiful, just dotted around. But I'm just cutting the backs off. There seems to be 2 different colours, so maybe I alternate. Is that the same one? Oh, those don't have backs on. Okay, maybe I alternate these. That one's not got a back on either. That's fine. So I think maybe I'll include those in the wreath. I've got a couple of puffy hearts left. I've got some sequins. I've got some bits that I can use for layering. So I need to back my photo first of all. This is just a journaling card, but I think I do want a white border. So let's get this backed. Oh, I can't see. I can't see it. Come on. Oh no. I'm wasting all this time. Okay, cool. Now, I don't necessarily want to scrap, want to take 5 minutes every time I scrap a layout, but I think it's quite fun to get something done in a small time frame. So I've got that, and then I think that I want some colour behind it. So do I want this purple? Maybe this purple. So I'm just going to cut. I'm just going to cut some odd shapes. Maybe I cut that a little too small, but I have got another purple one here as well, which is beautiful. Perhaps I'll cut some of that as well, just to layer behind my photo. That's a little too big. Let's trim some of that off. Okay, I've got 2 minutes left. How have I only got 2 minutes left? Okay, so I think I'm going to have them layered up on there. If I can find my tape runner, which is right in front of me. Okay, so we're going to pop this one just at an angle. Oh no, I've run out of tape. Oh no. This is never going to end well. Okay, let's pop some double-sided tape on. Oh. And then that's going to go on there like that. And then double-sided tape on the back. How long have I got left? Just over a minute. So I'm going to pop that there, and then I'm going to get some wet glue, which I hope is not, oh no, here we go. So I'm going to pop some wet glue down to stick these on, because tape is not going to hold them. Pop that on there. Oops, come on, that on there. Nice dollop of wet glue just to keep these on. Okay, there we are. And then got these bits and bobs here. So perhaps I'm gonna, oh, I shouldn't have stuck that down. Oh no. So let's just, oh, let's bob some glue. Oh, it's alive. Maybe I might breach my 5 minutes. I think I've been hindered by my my glue not being ready and my my tape runner running out. Let's go for a 7 minute, shall we? Okay, so I'm going to pop. Oh, there's my timer. Failed again. Failed. So I'm going to pop this one underneath. Yeah. There. Oh. Like that. Stop. I'm going to go another 5 minutes. Let's see if I can get it done in 10. Okay, and then we have, see, I've got this lime green one, but I think it's just the colours aren't going to be right. So I think what I'm going to do is just, oh, let's pop some glue on that, and then I'm going to chuck that in behind these layers again. And then just, oh, we've got this that says all the good vibes and more. So we'll find a home for that just there. And then because that's black, I'm going to pop this little black piece on as well, just layering these up like this. I don't think these colours are going to really work, so I'm going to pop those ones away. Come on. Oh no, I'm losing time. Why am I doing this? Ah! Get in there! Okay. Then we have, oh, I've got this strip. I might pop a couple of those in as layering pieces. Let's see if we can get this under 10 minutes. I feel less stressed now. Trying to get this under 10 minutes rather than 5, but I thought I'd be ambitious. I thought I'd try and get it done in 5, but it was not meant to be. Oops, I've just moved that out of the way. So I'm just going to stick this in here. I'm going to pop the other half of it in down here. Oh, that's not going underneath, so there we go. There we are. Oh, that moved on the photo. I didn't want that to happen. There we are. I don't want that one. We've got that one. Now, I know that there are some other strips on the rest of that paper, but I'm going to cut this up, and then I'm going to have these coming out as well, I think. So, yeah, I should not have stuck that photo down. I was just panicking. Okay, so we're going to have a couple of these coming out and just crossing over like this. And I'm going to do the same with this at the top as well. And just in here, just add a little bit of extra decoration. There we are. Okay. Then we have some sequins, and I've got just a few of these little hearts left. So let's get these used up. Let's pop one there, one there, and maybe one in here. Then we've got these holographic sequins, so maybe that's my dog, you can hear it wandering around in the background. She makes the most inopportune time to get up. Okay, so I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, and then just grab my wax pencil, wax pen, just pick those up. And these work really well because of the background with the that's already got the holographic in the background. So 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to have 3 down here. I'm not going to put a title on this because not everything needs a title in my wedding album. So 3 more. 1, 2, or 5 more. 1, 2, 3. There we go. I'm going to call that, I'm calling that done. So stop. So that was just under 10 minutes to get this layout together. And there's enough interest around the photo there with the layers. Most of the hard work is done in that wreath, to be honest. So that's really helped. So if you're looking to put a layout together that takes you very little time, then look for papers that are already designed to be, you know, that are already pre-designed for you. So wreath ones are a perfect example. Ones that have got mixed media already on, perfect example. And then this is how you can put something together that quickly. Adding these flowers in as a bit of dimension really helped. I'm going to have to leave this out, and I'll probably pop it under something heavy just to squish those flowers down a little bit so they stick a bit better. But the wet glue should hold them, so I don't have any issues with that. And then if you wanted to add a title, you could always add a title onto something like this. But I thought I'd just bring this speedy scrapbooking layout just to show you that a pre-made, a pre-designed paper can really help you pull something together very, very quickly. So I hope you've enjoyed this video today. I know there's not many videos up on my channel at the moment, but stay tuned. I've got plans to bring videos and stuff, and I hope this one is, you have enjoyed this one for today. If you have, please give the video a thumbs up. My channel is not getting anywhere near as many views as even, you know, back when I had sort of 1,000-2,000 subscribers. So I am looking to, you know, build that back up again in terms of views. The only way that will happen is if the videos are interacted with, so likes, comments, and that sort of thing. And if you're new, please hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell so you are notified when I upload each and every time. That will definitely help as well. And I'll see you all again in the next video. Bye.